The answer to the clickbait you just saw is no. You cannot go from being that big to being the size I am now in 90 days. In fact, I have never been that big. I wanted to show this as an example of what these health influencers are doing. It wasn't that difficult. That took me 5 minutes to create that picture of me being excessively obese. Took 5 minutes. With AI now, there are so many health influencers posting pictures like that and then posting pictures of themselves being in amazing shape and trying to sell you their program or get you to buy their protein drink or their energy drink that they're, or something that's sponsoring them, or, you know, there's just so much fraud. Now, I'm not saying that all health influencers are frauds. Don't get me wrong. And I applaud people that are posting before and after pictures, you know, of their journey. And that was great until 5 years ago. With so much AI going on now, I can get 1 million clicks just by posting a big old fat slob of myself next to when I complete my journey of losing this belly and getting in shape. And if you're new here, this is my 19th day of exercising. If you haven't seen any of my previous videos, please click on my profile picture, go to my channel, click on my playlist, and watch my journey from the very beginning. The reason I'm doing all of this in real time is to show you it takes time. There's no miracle fix for being obese. Now, like I said, I've never been that obese like you saw in the picture. I've been, you know, I wouldn't classify myself as obese. I would classify myself as overweight. I've been overweight for a while now. So, the point I'm trying to make here is that I'm showing all of this in real time because there's too much fraud out there. People that used to post before and after pictures and then talk about what they did to lose weight and everything else, that was great. The problem is now I can create the most disgusting before picture that I want with AI, and then I can show you myself all trim and fit and muscular and everything and go, here's how I got here. This is a program that I used, and it's only $19.95. Click on the link in the description. It's all bullshit now. I would say 90% of it's bullshit now. People are doing it for clicks. People are doing it for sponsors. People are doing it just to get attention. People are using AI to their advantage to take advantage of people that are in a situation where they need to lose weight, or fat, I should say. I can't keep saying lose weight. If your only goal is to lose fat, then yes, you're going to lose a lot of weight. If your goal is to lose fat and build muscle at the same time, you might not lose any weight. You might gain weight like I'm doing, but you will lose inches, and that's important. I can gain 20 pounds and still lose 10 inches, and I'm perfectly fine with that. That will make that, I will be ecstatic when that happens, and it is happening, but I'm working hard for it. I've already done my workout this morning, and I wanted to put this video up because there's one main truth when it comes to losing weight or losing fat, and that is you have to be in a calorie deficit. You have to use more energy than you're taking in. That's the truth, period. There are pills that will help cut your appetite so that you're not taking in as much as you're burning. There are shots. the Ozempic and the other shots that they're using now. But I saw a documentary on that already, and the problem with anything like that is that you're suppressing your appetite artificially. And when you get where you want to be, and then you come off of those pills or those shots, that artificial suppression is gone. That hunger hormone kicks in again. And if you don't have the willpower to ignore that hunger, you're going to end up right back where you started. The only real way to lose fat and maintain that is to train your body over time to need less food, period. Right now I'm at 1,350 calories a day. That was my baseline to maintain a specific, to maintain the weight that I was. 1,350 calories every day for 90 days. I didn't gain a pound, I didn't lose a pound. I'm still eating 1,350 calories a day, give or take 100 or 2. But I'm still right in that realm. Exercising and working out every day is what puts me in that calorie deficit. If I'm sitting on my ass, 1,350 calories keeps me at the exact same weight every day. Keeps me stable. I don't need any more than that. If I was just wanting to burn fat or lose fat, I could have just cut my calorie intake down to 1,000 and maintained that 1,000 calorie intake for as long as it took to lose the extra weight. I wanted to build muscle. So keeping my calories at 1,350, throwing in a bunch of exercises, puts me in a calorie deficit. I am burning more energy than I'm taking in. So I'm losing inches, but I'm also gaining muscle, which is, I'm gaining weight. But the point of this video is to say, don't fall for the scams. There is no one size fits all when it comes to fat loss. There's no one size fits all when it comes to exercising. And something that really pisses me off more than anything is some 25-year-old trying to tell a 59-year-old what I should be doing to exercise. You ain't 59. You don't know what my body's been through. You don't know what kind of work I've done. You don't know what my injuries are. You don't know what my health is like. When I was 25, I would have blown you out of the water. But that's not the point. I'm not going to listen to some 25-year-old gym bro trying to tell me what I should do to get in shape. My body is not the same as his. I'm older. It takes longer. It takes longer for me to metabolize my food. I don't sleep as well as I used to. Things are different when you're 59. I will listen to a 50-something telling me what they're doing to get in shape and what they're doing to exercise. But again, one size does not fit all. I started off with 40-pound dumbbells. You might not be able to do that. You might have to start off with 20s or 10s or 15s. It depends on your fitness level at the time you start. You may, instead of 40s, you may start off with 50s or 60s or 70s even. We're not all the same. We are different people. Everybody's body is different. Everybody's metabolism is different. Everybody's energy level is different. Everybody's motivation is different. Don't fall into the trap of seeing some before and after picture and then watching their video and buying their shit. Don't fall into that trap. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow's my last day of doing this regimen of exercise. I will see you tomorrow. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. It means a lot.